Right, Mr. Ballion back. We're at part 4 here, and I'm going to kind of recreate squash and stretch, okay? And let me just put the wireframe on here for a second. Where are you, wireframe? There, so you guys can see this, boom, and takes off, okay? And I made it 49 frames, so that when I render it, I have a 2-second, play blast, okay? There we go. All right, so what am I doing? If I click here, don't worry about these numbers. Don't pay attention to them at all. Okay, basically I have a hold, then I have a squash, hold, and then kind of further squash. So I guess I have initial, let's see, what is this? Boom, squash, further, and then really pops. So it goes boom, solid to stretch, and then takes off in 4 frames or 3 frames, something like that. Okay. So I'm going to say bye-bye to that, and I'll make a new one. All right, I'll get rid of my save frames. Okay, let's make another color of a cube. And I'm using this on purpose. Okay, we know this is a 1 by 1, so if I go to 0.5, I'm going to be on the floor and on the grid. The grid is off right here. See ya. Yeah, cube 3, whatever. What color should we do? Green, maybe? Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so why don't I just go right-click, assign new material really fast, and Lambert here. Get rid of the history center, and then we'll just do some kind of, yeah, there you go. Okay, like that. Okay, cool. Pastel green. Control A. So I have my channel box open. All right, so a couple things I said in the past for you guys. 1 second of animation takes 24 frames. So if I say 1001, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press S here right off the bat on frame 1. And for 8 frames, 9 frames, I'm going to press S again and not do anything. So basically I'm blowing away 1/3 of a second. So nothing's happening. From here, let's go to squash. Let's go, whatever, 1 second or half a second. Let's go something. I'm just going to click anywhere here and press S. And I'm going to press, squash. Okay, so R for scale. And I just bring this down. Notice that on the Y, which is green, here at let's say 0.65. And then I'll just go on the other scale, 1.35 and 1.35, so the volume stays accurate. However, you will notice that I'm floating in the air. So I'll just go down here and I'll just do this, okay, until it kind of touches the ground. So let's see here. What is this? Taking forever, okay? So it's like squash. Can you do me a favor and close the door a bit? Just halfway so we don't get the background noise. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Awesome. All right, so somebody's playing something in the background there. Just halfway. Thank you. Perfect, perfect. Awesome. Okay, so here it is. So there's a squash, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold that squash. So you guys know if I'm going to hold it, I'm just going to go right-click, copy. And whatever frames, I'm here clicking anywhere randomly and paste. You guys also know that I can hold the middle scroll button and just go somewhere over here, press S. It's the same thing, copy and paste. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to shift, left-click, right-click, delete. Okay, so what do we got here? Like that, holds, and then I want it to take off, right? Okay. So this is the solid. Look at this. Pay attention to this. This is very important. Scale is 1 by 1. 1, 1, 1. X, Y, Z. So that's a solid, right? So when I went down on the Y. I squashed, basically, right? Let me press W here, and I just want the edge. I'm going to put shadow on. Ambient occlusion, actually. Not shadow. Forget shadow. Ambient occlusion is nice. See that soft gray there? Beauty. Okay, so here it is. It's 0.3, I think. There it is. That's on the ground. Okay, so whatever. So it stays like that. No change. I hope 0.3 as well here. I'll just go 0.3 as well. Same number. So there is no change right there. And then somewhere over here, I want it to be solid again. So I know I have solid here. Why don't I just go right-click, copy. Okay, and just click anywhere over here. Okay, right-click, paste, paste. What do I got here? 4 minutes. Awesome. All right, what do we got? Let's see. Let's just rewind and play and look at what we got. What do we got? Press play. And there it is. Awesome animation, everybody. So here it is, and it goes to solid. And then what I'll do is maybe take off. Okay, so let's say 4 frames. 41. Okay, but before I take off, I need to stretch, right? So here's the tricky thing. R. What if I go something like that? What is that? 2 point whatever. Let's say 2. Okay. 1, and I press W. So we're going to play around here and just make this on the ground so it goes like that. So what I'm going to do is flip back and forth as if I have drawings I'm flipping. So comma, full stop, like that, boom. Okay, so what do we got here? Is there floatiness? Let's look at Y for a second. Okay, here, 0.5 is the ground, and here, and I'm trying to look at this as an orthographic view possible. Okay, so back and forth. Not bad. Okay, it's okay. I'm holding Option, left click. All right, and then what I'll do is I'll just maybe from here, boom, take off. So this took a long time, so I'm gonna, whatever, I'm not gonna judge, okay? So I'm not gonna interpret what I'm doing, okay? So 3 frames later, 41 plus 3 is 44. Press S and off frame. Bye-bye. Okay, rewind. Let's see what we got. Boom. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna say in the I don't want this to continue. I'll just say once. Okay, so here playback, looping once, not oscillate. That means back and forth, continuous, repeat, repeat, repeat. That goes forward then back. Okay, so we'll just do once. So let's just watch this. Play. I'll click out, so I'll just play without anything. All right, awesome. So I got this first one. I looked at it. I have some comments to make, but I'll just make a play blast right here. Rocket takeoff underscore, okay, whatever, demo 01. Here we go. Apply. What do we got here? It's still in the frame. That bugs me right off the bat, so I'm just going to put my safe frame on right now. Ding, ding, right here. Okay, so I'll just bring it in like this. You can always lock it up, so you can always go create camera, and then what I'll do, panel, look through, select it, and I'll zoom in or something. And I have no idea where my camera is. Zoom out, okay, like that. Save frame again, boom, boom. Ay, wrong one, right here. So I'll just do something like this. And this is my camera right now, and I want it to basically to take off the frame. So I'll just have to hold Option, zoom in a bit more, and pan up a touch. So let's see, what do we got? Boom, and it goes. Okay, so it will just recreate this. Play blast over here, options. Remember, not photo. And in photo, crank it to 100, H264, whatever, and then I'll call this number 2. It's the same thing, really. It's 2A, 1A. Okay, there it is, gone. So let's watch. Okay, I don't get it. Like, it's not supposed to be like this. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So let's watch again. Boom. Okay, so let's play, and I'm going to press Command L so it loops. Going. Okay, so good. All right, couple things I can do. What if here's selected and always in W or Q mode, okay? So you can see. So here's what's happening. We got this nice squash. It's less than a second because it's less than 24 frames. Squash, it holds for whatever period of time, and then it goes up and then takes off, right? So what if, let's see, let's just flip. I have to press comma and pure just to get a sense of what I'm doing. So I'm here, boom, squash, hold, and it becomes solid and then stretches. Okay, that part I'm gonna, I think, shorten up here. So like I'm basically flipping, I'm kind of making an illusion that it goes solid before it stretches, right? So let's just bring this halfway, 2 frames, whatever. Boom, and then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to hold Shift, left click and drag, hold the middle and just crank it in here. Okay, and what I don't want to do is have everything even, right? So like 4, 3, 2, so it's not even. So let's play. Let's see what we got. Okay, not bad. It's a little better, I think. So if I just press play blast, and we'll call this number 2A, whatever, and then apply. Let's watch this one. What do we got here? Yeah, that little in the frame is really bugging me. What's going wrong here? I've got my save frame there, and let me just check the settings here. Test animation, JPEG, whatever frames, 0 to 48. So I think we're starting at 1 to 49. Okay, so I'll change that to 1. So it's really 2 seconds. Perspective, okay. This doesn't matter because we're not rendering. Okay, oh, that's why, because I know why. Hang on a second here. Okay, see where it says perspective here? We should go to camera 1. Okay, let's see what happens here. So, okay, look. If I click here, the little camera icon, camera. I usually lock this, but I'm not going to teach you to do this. Lock selected, okay? I'm not going to do that. It's too early in your learning, okay? So right now, I'm assuming if I click here, yeah, I'm in camera 1, okay? I usually call this cam shot. Cam shot. Okay. And now if I press playback, play blast I mean, let's write over it. Please tell me it's going to work. Okay, so it's still there, whatever. And just scrubbing and boom. So I want that part to be maybe faster. Okay, it's not bad. I'm okay with it. Let's just bring this over up and let's see. Yeah, you're out of here. Look at that. I can't even see it. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, so let's go to Play Blast and just make this 3. Okay, I'm just showing my progress to you guys. Okay, not bad. Boom. Okay, so there, right around here, I think it slows down a little. Look. See? That part could go a little faster, maybe. So let's say it's going to come down and then goes up, right? So let's pay attention here. And what I'm going to do as well for you guys, I'm going to go to Display, Show. Where is it? No, Heads Up Display. That's right. And somewhere where it says Current Frame. I love to see that. So I can say to you guys, you know what? Frame 30, do this. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, add that to your notes, please. Play Blast. And I'm going to call this 3A. Apply. Boom. Hey, it's not bad. Go down, take off. Okay, there's kind of a lag right around here and there. So something here. I'm going to press spacebar. So watch. Yeah, it's not bad. It's almost like it's building its weight up. Not bad. Okay. That's not bad. All right, so let's bring it. I know I said that 20 times, but you got to talk to yourself, unfortunately. So what's happening here? We're squashing for 6 frames, holding for 2. Wait a minute. There is no hold. Here's the hold. And then we go to, oh yeah, right here. 2 frames. I'm going, and then I'm taking off, and it's almost like, I almost want to extrude it. No, didn't say that. Okay, so from 2 to 4, and go. So what if I knock 1 frame off here? So 2, 3, 4. Let's see how that looks, okay? So press play. And then let's Play Blast this and go to 3B. To be or not to be. Here we go. Play. I think this could go even faster. Alright, I'm going to do next version. I'm going to save as here. Oops, Command Shift S quickly, and I'll say, no, this is number 5. Stay alive, and it's Rocket Man. Rocket 01 demo, whatever. There it is. I saved that. Okay, so come back here, click, and I want this to go faster. Okay, so let's see the difference here. So you saw this. So we held our squash, and then we went to a solid, like 1, 1, 1, and then we go to a stretch, and then we take off like 4 frames. So what if I bring this down to 2? Okay, and let's see the difference. Play Blast, my friend. C, and I'm going to call this takeoff faster, so I know what I'm doing. Apply. Maybe better, who knows? I like it. Good enough. Okay, so let's see, how many minutes did this take? Whoa, we're under 15. Okay, couple things. I'm happy with this. I have my progression. That's what you're going to show me, your progression of changes in your logic of what you've done, your rationale. So a couple things you can do. You can come over here and stay and basically watch. I can do something. This is, I'm not saying do this, okay? So just watch. So you know how you have this on hold? So I'm going to copy right there, or I'm going to go middle scroll, and I'm going to go paste. S. And this time, and I'm going to paste again. Let's see. S. Okay, so I'm going to do something silly, and that is like wave right, wave, like rotate right, then rotate left, and then go solid. Okay, let's see. Something silly like this. E. Let's go like that. And then, so let's go up, and then back down the opposite direction. Like that. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm just doing it just for fun, just to change it up. How does that look? Let's see. This may look really silly. But you get the idea. So I'm trying to change it up a bit. So you do this, and then go. Okay, wow. Very fromage, people. Don't like it. Don't like it. I just tried something. Let's go D. And our ROT. So I know silliness. Here we go. This is one that I do not like. But let's see how it plays. Okay, so it's something else, right? Or I can even hold it afterwards instead of it going. So you could see, yeah, okay, so I could do that rotation, hold, and then go, right? So that's possible too, because it's kind of like it's too fast, right? So watch this. We still have lots of time here. Boom, boom. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take these two, and I'll knock them over a couple frames. And here, I'm going to hold it for, hey, let's just go 3, 2. Let's just change this up. So rotate 2. Kids are running out in the hallways. They're warming up, and it's very noisy. I know. Okay, students, that is. 2, very even. I don't like even. And then it goes to this, right? So why don't I just copy this? I don't know. I'm going to hold it for another frame. Paste 1 frame and see what happens here. All right, let's go. Play blast again. Let's call this number 4 and see what we got. Yeah, I think I'm getting into more trouble here. Okay, so I can speed up that takeoff still. I want that to go faster. What do I got here? Oh my God. Okay, so here's what I'll do. So this to that. Okay, so let's crank that over, maybe 2 frames, and then I'm going to make this really fast. Let's go 1 frame, I don't know. Let's just go play blast and 4A. Okay, I'm just having fun here, guys. There's no right or wrong. Let's see. Boom. Wow, that's awesome. Anyway, it's fun. Your turn. Have fun with this. All you're doing is giving me a squash and stretch and play with the timing and show me the progression of the takeoff. Okay? You can make it whatever you want. It doesn't matter to me. But again, it was just simply showing me that you can hold, you can squash, you can stretch, and then you can play with timing. Okay? I think the faster it goes, it's more cartoony, and I think it's more fun. It's fun. Period is that. So if you watch this timeline right off the bat, right in here, and you notice that nothing is even, okay? So play around. There's a bit of evenness in here I don't like. Okay, but anyway, this is kind of cool. 2 seconds of animation. The things you can do in 2 seconds, people. Ballying out. See ya.